said I'll just make it online so that we don't delay any further. So if you're joining us, welcome so very much. This is the 5 Luo words a day, and we're on day number 40. Day number 40 of 5 Luo words a day. That means that we've now covered 200 Luo words. So it means if you've not been following this, very exciting playlist, we've created a series of words, a series of playlist words. We've created a playlist where you can be able to look through and see what we've done, and then you can be able to just go through all the Luo words that we've done so far. So I advise that if you've not looked at the 5 Luo words a day, please go back through day number 1 through day 40, and that will give you an idea of what we've done so far, and so good. So thank you so much for those who've been supporting us. I know we've got a lot of advice, we've got a lot of ideas. Many people have been saying, hey, why don't you make this instead of using pictures, why don't you make action videos? It takes a lot of time, so we shall do that. But first, let's look at the 5 Luo words today. So today we're looking at, first of all, the words are alum. Now there are 3 alums. Then there is alung which, and finally there is alun. Alun. So let's look at the first one. So what's alum? Alum is a green poisonous snake, and you can see a picture of a green snake. Alum. It's called alum. And we say, in a sentence we can say, Thuol mar alum. Let me remove myself so that. Thuol mar alum ka okai, to ka ionge kar thieth machiegni, inyalo tho. I'll take that again. Thuol mar alum ka okai, to ka ionge kar thieth machiegni, inyalo tho. So if you may die from, not from a snake bite if you do not have a nearby health facility. I noticed the English alum. Now alum is also, think that alum locusts are edible. Jomoko chamoga dede mag, and in a